So going over here to the official map here from the USGS here shows the activity there in northern Cal. Not on the San Andreas fault system, kind of inland towards the coastal range of the Northern California area here. You see coastal range on a just off the specific fault zone here, southeast of Willits, California there, by about 10 miles or so. This kind of looks like it's on the Macama fault zone, north section. Macama, I've never actually heard of that fault, but definitely some mountain ranges out there and some specifically named faults, obviously. Ways away from the San Andreas fault. San Andreas fault is this darker color, red line here, going up north towards the Mendocino Triple Point Junction up there. But this activity, a couple earthquakes here prior to the 4-pointer, which is the largest in this sequence here. We did see a looks like a 3.1 and a well, where'd he go here? Let's bring back the all magnitudes here real quick. It looks like there was a 3.1 right there prior to the 4.0. And then following that 4.0, 1.5 and a 3.6, all within the same area. 3.6 being the largest aftershock so far. I don't know, it's kind of interesting here. I don't know if this is all we're going to hear of it out there. It's about 3 miles or so east of this specific fault system here in Northern California. So could be leading up to something bigger. It's really hard to say. It's definitely well north of our typical earthquakes down here near the geysers, California, where we're seeing a lot of geothermal type activity, a lot of stuff going on down there, which is very typical for this area. We see hundreds of earthquakes sometimes a day. On this map, only about 34 over the past day or so, but they can get up there in numbers as well. And magnitudes definitely possible there too. I've seen a couple mid-4s within that area. But this activity kind of well north. This one here, this little 1.9 happened prior to all this activity in Willits. So just something to watch here. Quite a few folks did report feeling it there within the Willits area, at least the 4.0 anyway. Taking a look at the Did You Feel It reports here from the USGS. The responses are kind of up there, right? Willits, California showing at least 86 folks or so. Fort Bragg, California also feeling it. Redwood City or Redwood Valley, California. So definitely 4-pointer showing some showing that a lot of folks are feeling it out there. Not a lot of shaking, just some light shaking. Maybe one person reported their rocking chair shaking a little bit too much with that yellow intensity square there, but that would be a strong shaking quake, but I doubt that, considering the distance that it was away from the epicenter. So anyway, so that's that. Just kind of keeping an eye on the activity, and we will continue to do so. Just remain vigilant out there. It's a hot one out here in California once again, as always, and it sucks. That's all I'm going to say. The weather sucks. 100 degrees, at least over 100 degrees here for the next 10 days or so. It's been pretty hot recently as well. So have a good day out there, folks. We're still monitoring the activity. Just wanted to point out some interesting quake activity out there by Willits, California, and just kind of keeping an eye on that, considering we just seen another 3.6 there in the region. So stay safe. We'll chat you guys a little bit later.